Forex or Bitcoin?
Bitcoin.
At what age do you become a millionaire?
Oh my God.
What is most amount of money I've made in a year?
2 naira.
About the students, one of the major problems they have is finance. So, what advice? Practical advice, because it's hey, work hard, but it's not practical. A great event today, and what is going on here? Youth Friendly Resource Center is happening here. This is great because of some resourceful persons that we are invited, and here is one of them. What is your name, sir?
My name is Mr. Did I have to add Mr.?
My name is Maxwell Anyanwu.
Like with this program, you learn how to make money online even without you trying to bother yourself much physically.
What do you do?
What I do basically is to support clients that wants to export into Africa.
I'm a technology consultant. I work with Tennessee Professional Services.
My solemn advice to youth, to students, please be patient with the process. Good things will come as long as you are in the line of doing what is right.
Find something you're interested in, do some deep learning around it, explore your environment, look for how to solve problems around what you have a passion for, and then grow it from it. Don't overthink it, one step at a time. What? Consistency.
What is it that inspires and spikes you? What is it that if you're woken up by 12 or 3 a.m. in the night, you can stand up and you're on it? For me, once it has to do with research, analytics, whatever has to do in that area, wake me up by 3 a.m. in the night, and I'm already awake.
Trust yourself, trust your abilities, and just go and conquer.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, sir. Yeah, really appreciate yourself. Thanks. How you doing? I believe you're good. We are here to interview successful people so they can give us advice on how to be successful one day and to be wealthy. Watch out as you go about this in doing this. Thank you. I'm here with
My name is Mr. Did I have to add Mr.? Namdi Anika.
So what do you do?
Okay, I'm a technology consultant. I work with Tennessee Professional Services. Specialized a little bit in software engineering, but not just software engineering. I cover other areas as well: cyber security, infrastructure, and others. Yeah.
Okay, that is where you decide to pursue your career in.
Yes, I guess. I graduated from this school, electronic engineering, and then so I just ventured into technology consulting.
So for how many years have you been doing this?
I've been doing this for over 15 years.
Wow. So what is most amount of money I've made in a year?
2 naira.
Thank you for trying to impact society, which you are doing from your business and from your talk today. I learned a lot. So what advice can you give to someone that wants to be successful one day and starting from nothing?
Focus. Start from some. You say starting from nothing. You have to start from something.
Yeah.
Find something you're interested in. Do some deep learning around it.
Yes.
Explore your environment. Look for how to solve problems around what you have a passion for, and then grow it from it. Don't overthink it, one step at a time, but consistency, continuous learning, consistency. Continue to grow your network and you'll succeed. For me, it's a culture of learning. You can never know it all. So always form the culture, be inquisitive, always want to learn, always want to discover new things and explore your environment. The sky is your limit. The world is there for you to take. Never underestimate your internal abilities. Trust yourself, trust your abilities, and just go and take the world. Go and conquer.
Yeah, thank you very much. A great interview. You're a great man. Yeah, really appreciate yourself. We have heard what he said. So this is time for action. Go and conquer and become a millionaire and become a successful person. Thank you so much and enjoy. So what is your name, sir?
My name is Maxwell Anyanwu.
Where have you decided to pursue your career in? What industry?
Okay, is in consulting, specifically project management, market entry. What I do basically is to support clients that wants to export into Africa. And lots of clients have interest in Africa, have interest in investing. but they have no idea or they don't have information or data that they will fall back on to make that decision. So you talk about using research, using data analytics to create actionable insights that will guide potential clients to making their export journey into Africa or any part of the globe.
Okay, that is importation.
No, this is not important. This is about um is about framework methodology, building of business cases, building of frameworks and methodology that firms will be able to use to enter into a market. So let's say for instance you have a product,
Like
um you have let's say you have a gala kind of product,
gala. Okay.
and you want to sell it in Africa, all right, and you are in Europe, you don't know which particular area in Africa you should be selling this gala. Your product is very good, very nice, but you now hear that okay, Nigeria is about 220 million people. Okay, that can confuse you because you would think, oh, everybody is going to buy your product because the market is large.
Yeah,
Now,
yeah,
so
yeah,
for you to
yeah.
be able to know who are the exact people that need your product, you need to segment that number of people. Now that market segmentation analysis, every indicators you need to know to enable you not only sell your product but also scale it up is exactly what I do. There are
So
complexities in this, but in a brief.
honestly. So, what book are you going to recommend in marketing, sales,
uh,
how to sell, or books?
I would have recommended, but YouTube is your go-to. I don't know how, but it's funny.
That's good.
It's funny,
Yes.
but just go to YouTube. You can learn a lot about it. Okay, I think I would recommend if you can get your hands on literature that talks about international business. Yes, you should be able to find information about how these things work and how you can make impact if you're working in an organization in that.
About the students, one of the major problems they have is finance.
Okay.
What advice? A practical advice because they say,
Okay.
hey, work hard. If you do this, but it's not practical.
In practical sense, for anybody that wants to make it in life or become rich, have to understand that life is a process. This tree you're seeing here today is a product of process. It started by a seed,
Yes.
and then it began to grow from stages to stages, and it is standing covering shade here today. If money is your motivation, understand that you have to follow the process of growth. Now, for you to follow the process of growth, there must be a time in your life where you need to be planted. All right, that planting might require you to learn very tough skills, put in man hours to learn things that will enable you to be very relevant. My solemn advice to youth, to students, please be patient with the process. As long as you are in the process doing something to make your life better, be patient with yourself. Good things will come as long as you are in the line of doing what is right.
At what age do you become a millionaire?
Oh my God.
That's why it took me some
Oh my
time.
God, I
Yeah.
don't know.
Yeah, at
I
what
am
age?
seriously, I'm a very I can't even believe I'm doing this interview because I know I'm a very, very reserved person.
Okay, okay.
Um
As of
ah
just to motivate you
I
to
don't know how I'm
people.
going to say this. Okay, okay.
Yes.
I think that should be in my that should be my late 20s coming into 30s. That was when I had the privilege of okay, but I'm not going to say anything other than
No,
that.
no, no, no. So, what digital skill do you think can make people, the younger generation,
Yeah.
rich?
And what I'm going to say now will be very, very funny. All right. And it's something you use or you see every day. Please, for anyone that wants to learn any digital skill, um, can you do your best and learn Microsoft Excel? As simple as Microsoft Excel is, if you can master the act and the use of Microsoft Excel, there's absolutely no kind of skill you cannot learn. Microsoft Excel is so good that you see all the frameworks. In fact, the whole idea of programming and everything can be is all drawn and connected to Microsoft Excel. For anyone that wants to learn any digital skill,
Yeah.
keep your hands on Excel. Try to know everything you can about it. I'm telling you, that is a solid foundation for you to becoming a star.
Yeah. So, those that want to hit you, stay in contact with you,
Yeah.
what social media, what is your handle?
Okay, I'm active on LinkedIn.
On
Just type
LinkedIn.
Maxwell Anyanwu.
Be a great man. Great interview. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day.
Thanks. We have heard it, how to be successful, how to be rich. These guys are resourceful in their dealings. These guys are successful and they are millionaires. I hope we put into practice what we have learned from them. If you actually connected with this message and you want more of these amazing and powerful messages, make sure you hit the subscribe button and become a member. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe and comment your thoughts. Thank you.